Poda Pitha is a traditional Odia delicacy that is made during the festival of Rath Yatra. Now many of us can think why this is called Poda Pitha. So in Bengali or in Odisha, Poda means burnt or charred and Pitha means any rice flavored cake or sweet. So the literal meaning of Poda Pitha is burnt cake. But not in a negative way. Join me in the kitchen.
At first, soak a cup of any rice overnight, at least for 12 hours. Here I am using basmati tukra rice. Transfer it into a mixture jar. Now add salt, soft, 3-4 black pepper, cardamom, milk and blend it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut and blend again. Now chop few nuts. Fry it in ghee and add it to the mixture. Now put some melted jaggery and mix it really well. Chop some coconut and add it. It allows some extra crunch. Here I am greasing my steel bowl with some ghee properly. And pour the mixture into it. You can steam it in the pressure cooker. Here I am using a karai and put it like this. Cover the lid and seal the hole of the lid. Now leave it for 30 minutes. Your Poda Pitha is ready. Traditionally, banana leaf is used while steaming. While using kola pata, the bottom of the cake usually burned. From there, the name Poda is come from. Now you can enjoy Poda Pitha at your home.